It's me and Blizzard. Still working on my boy. He knows to put his paw up. I want to make it so he raises it only on cue, but I've got him trained too well now to just put his paw up. Sit, boy. Sit down. And then also I'm trying to lure him into a bow, which I'm taking as just him putting his head to the ground. Just like that. And just to throw him, I need to clear some space. He's too into my lap too much. So he can sit on. He sits fine. Sit. 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 Paw. Can't see, but I'm wiggling a finger or finger. That's trying to be the hand signal I want to work with him. See, I just wiggled my finger too. So it's coming along, but it's just, I wiggled my finger, he raised his finger, his hand, finger, paw, whatever. Yes, I missed the click. I got treats in my arm, his food. I had a clicker in my hand. And if you go up my arm, there's his food. My other hand's holding the camera and treating him. There's his paw going up, but I didn't ask for it. See, normally I would take that. There's his paw, it went up. His paw's going up. I don't want it up yet. Now I wiggle my finger. There, he raised his paw. Good boy. We're getting it. Just slow going. Sit. Sit. See, you'll sit. Sit. No, not yet. I had my finger out, and I think that might be. Sit, boy. See, he's trying to get into my hand because that's my treat hand. He does no targeting too. See that? There, he's put my hand out. See, he touches. Smart cat.